Let's go. Feeling it.
Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy Weezy. And
Sqaud, Lino, MKB, follow the channel. My bro, this is a fire. Here, bro.
We just talk back shit here.
My crew members. Red one. Ugo, Lelani.
I don't know.
yeah,
Obama, the blackest one in the world. Hey.
Look at the white person in the room. Who got gently? The Chinese in the stars. The shortest guy in the class. And then the dark. Donald Duck.
Wait.
Currently, guys, we want to like check on Lelani's waves.
This one, Baba.
It's not just
Touch lapho.
It's spinning the way
Post what, Baba?
see on YouTube. It's spinning. You see? Tiwaf, Baba. Tiwaf, Baba.
The wave.
The wave. Check the ground, boy. I
That
got it
whole
clean.
boy.
This one is on fire. This one.
It's the Wavi.
It's Tiwaf.
Just the beginner.
It's just the beginner.
Just the beginner, guys.
Go!
Hi, big boy. Hi. It's Chai.
So, okay, the meaning of this vlog is like asking people to like guess the celebrities. So most of them they know Johnny Sins, Mia Khalifa.
Imagine. Type shit.
Don't know what HIV. Huh?
HIV.
Abuse.
Imagine.
STI. No.
Oh.
What? Teenage pregnant.
Ooh.
Knowing how to beat their meat. That's all they know.
That's all. As you can see, this place cack shit.
This is the dumbest school boy.
Yo, Joe.
Nah, but it's something like that.
There's not even pen here, man. Yo, where's the pen? Where's the fake pen? Joe, how does this teacher write?
Shit.
Shit. Dama, if you can turn the camera to this side, you see she's so close, her bag.
Imagine.
She usually leaves her bottle here, bro, but it's not here today.
Today she
But
decided to be a
bro,
fucking
so,
liar.
we can't get close to it because the camera is watching us.
Yeah.
The shoot camera.
Now you're watching it, Baba. Watching it live. Fucking shit.
Watching it live, bro.
Hey, who's this?
Who's this?
Show my father this.
Who's this?
Show my father this. Yo, show my father. Hey,
So guys, this is going to be part 2 of the vlog, man. We're dropping 4 videos today. You can get them on Sqaud X boy. You can also
XX.
get them on
Yeah.
Busy. And you can also get it on Lindo and KP.
Yeah, and we're still working. What is it? English.
Oh my bundle ran.
Hey, the bundle ran, Joe. The bundle ran away. There's no English bundle. Yo,
It's run away.
ran away. Uko, huh? Black Spider-Man, Miles Morales, boy.
Nah, but that's. Yo,
Get down now. Shout with the boy.
Ah, they blow, Joe. Some of us don't have balls at home. Right? Yeah, Joe. Don't different people are still playing this.
bruh, this shit Dream League, boy. Dream League, boy. Yo, look at this shit, bruh.
Life support,
No,
guys.
wait, he wants the mod now. Ah, he sent the file.
Blow job, guys. Blow job.
Oh, then so.
Blow job, guys.
Thing here, man. You must be fire your thing here, man. Yeah.
He said you fire your thing here. Look how small is it. Look how small is it. He fires his thing inside there.
Blow.
No, you.
Who understand? I said blow job.
Just blow, Baba. Just blow, Baba. Ah, just blow, Chu. Ah, just blow, Karabwa. Ah.
Yeah, move the thing.
Ah, boy, just blow, boy. It's nothing, just blow, Joe.
So that I can understand what you're saying. Multi-language.
Hey, boy, just blow, Joe. Ah, boy, say you blow job, Joe. Yeah.
Okay, then I will pause the video and then we'll do the blowjob private.
Palmer! Oh, payment! Oh, payment! Oh, payment! Oh, my word. Pass. Look at
Feeling it release.
that guy.
Get the skills. Oh,
It's fine. Oh, getting dirty for nothing, Joe. What? I don't want.
no.
Man.
What this guy broke the window with the hockey phone?
Who?
You!
You.
This nigga's a ticket. Let me pay him.
Hey, man, let's go slow.
Yeah, I was going to feel better.
Sultani Marsiya in grade 9. Please come to the office of Sultani Marsiya in grade 9. Please come to the office.
What time do you think that's the target? From afar. You see your plan, see your plan. See your plan.
Caught live on cam, bro. Elilan dog. Imali na tamo som khay dustbin. Imali ko kay pole khay dustbin. Timing course number 10. But you lodge. Ay, lodge for one. Yeah. Yeah. Eh, but you lodge. Hey. My life flashed before my eyes, guys.
That means try.
Oh, I died. Chai. Matota, izangi ngibonise le bola shayva. Shayla, la. Smiley did it. Così.
Oh, saya bakal ini aku.
But I won't miss his funeral if he dies. I'll be there to bury him. You are scared of Zuma. He used you, he dumped you, he used you, and promised you that you are going to be president. And you went home, you slaughtered a cow,
On a
he
point
dumped
of
you.
order.
He dumped you. It is only the EFF that can stop load shedding in South Africa. I'm going to be president of this country, whether you like it or not. No one is going to tell me what to do at what time. I'm in charge. That's why these fools are running around here. I'm in charge. On a point of order, Chair. We just don't have the army. Our army can't look after cabbages.
Soldier
And
president,
I say
guys.
this without any fear of contradiction. We are good.
Pause on it.
Dave, check.
Oh dear, with this.
Yeah, fuck you, innit, yeah.
South Squad ends.
He does not nice. Look at Papa.
On my knee, boy. On my knee.
I do like express.
Yo! Yo.
Passa-me, cara. Dá uma pose de vlog.